Making an arrangement. English conversation. Situation 1. Hello, Linda. Would you like to the movies tonight?
Oh, that's a good idea. What's on?
Well, Mylia is on. Have you watched it?
Yes, I have already watched it.
How about the premiere of Bloodshot?
That's cool. Where's it showing?
It's showing at the Cinema 21. Would you like to watch it?
Yes, of course.
Then let's watch it.
What time will we go to there?
At 8 p.m.
All right, then. This will be great.
I do think so.
Situation 2. Good afternoon. Fajar Computer. May I help you?
Yes, this is Jamaluddin from Garden Corporation. May I speak to Mr. Azwar Rangkuti, please?
I'm sorry, but he is not in right now.
Okay. When will he be back?
He should be here later on this afternoon, maybe about 3 p.m. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes. Mr. Azwar sent me a brochure detailing your newest line of computers with the descriptions of other software products, but there wasn't any information about after-sales service.
Oh, I'm sorry. Would you like me to email that to you?
Okay. Thank you. I need it before I call Mr. Azwar then.
Sure. Could I have your name, telephone number, and email, please?
Yes. Jamaluddin, and the phone number is 531 to 632. And the email is jamalgarden@gmail.com.
Okay. Jamaluddin. Is your name spelled Jamaludin?
No, it's Jamaluddin with double D. Jamaluddin.
Alright, Mr. Jamaluddin. And your phone number is 531 to 632, and your email is jamalgarden@gmail.com.
Yes, it is.
Alright. I will make sure to email the brochure this afternoon.
Okay. Thank you very much.
You are welcome.